Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome to my channel, and in this video I will tell you 5 reasons why the paint is peeling off from your vehicle. So guys, it is going to be a very interesting video, especially for those people whose paint is peeling off from their vehicle. So see that you like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe, because we share amazing auto body and painting stuff on this channel guys. So subscribe and learn auto body and painting. So come on, let's start the video. So guys, the first reason why your paint is peeling off is, number one reason why the paint from your vehicle is peeling off. And the first reason is low quality paint product. Yes guys, when you use low quality paint products on your vehicle, they are going to peel off in no time, because on your vehicle there is a good quality paint, and when you use a lower quality or low grade paint on your vehicle, it doesn't get that good bonding with the surface, and that is the reason why after a while the paint starts to peel off. And guys, some people think that these oil paints are automotive paints. They don't know the difference between automotive paints and the other paints guys, and they end up applying a wrong type of paint on the automotive surface, and that is the reason why it doesn't get the good bonding and it starts to peel off. So the first reason is low quality paint products. So stop using them guys, stop using them. So let's move on to the second reason, and the second reason is, let's write it out guys, let's write it out. Second reason, poor preparation. Yes guys, poor preparation directly points out the sanding process guys. If you are not sanding the surface properly, then after a while it is sure that your paint is going to peel off, because sanding plays a very important part when it comes to auto body and painting. You guys know it, I'll tell that all the time in all my videos guys. So by now you should know that already. Some people think that they can skip the sanding process, but no guys, you can't skip the sanding process. You will have to sand the surface, you will have to use the right grit to sand the surface, and you will have to sand the surface properly. You can't miss any of the spot. So by saying that, you guys already know that sanding is very important, and when you don't do the sanding properly, it is very sure that your paint will start to peel off after few days, and you will start to wonder what happened. So number 2 is poor preparation. So let's move on to number 3, and number 3 is, let me write it out guys, number 3 is improper application. I guess my board is falling down guys. Let me make it proper. I hope the board is still visible. So the number 3 is improper application techniques. What does that mean? What it means is, you did not apply the paint properly. You did not follow the right procedure. You sand it till the bare metal and you did not apply the primer directly. You applied the paint. You did not apply the body filler. You missed many of the steps. You did not use the spray guns to spray the paint and all that stuff guys. So improper application techniques, and you applied the paint the wrong way, and after few days you guys, it's very simple guys, the paint will start to peel off. So guys, it becomes very important to know the right procedure, and to know the right procedure you don't have to go anywhere now. I have already created a course on that. I have told you guys in all my videos. The course link is in the description below. You can go there and enroll yourself and learn the right procedure first, because when you know the right procedure guys, you can paint your fence, your fridge, or just about anything else, because the process is the same. You just have to know the right process, and when you know the right process, you can get flawless finish guys, no matter what you are painting. So with that, let's move on to number 4, and number 4 is a very interesting point guys, a very interesting reason. That is the environmental factor. Yes guys, number 4 reason is the environmental factor. Now what does that mean? Environmental factor means where you park your car, where you keep your car. You keep the car under the hot sun the whole day and it is burning off the paint guys. You keep your car in the heavy rains all the time, and there is heavy flow of water on your vehicle all the time. So when your paint has to go through the weather conditions like this, no matter how good your paint is, it is going to peel off after a while. Even if you have factory paint on your vehicle, guys, if you keep your vehicle in hot sun all the time, then your paint is going to fade after some time. It will hold on till it can, but after that it is going to fade and it can even peel off. So where you park your car becomes very important, guys. Build a shade to keep your vehicle so that it will protect it from hot sun and heavy rains. But see that you don't park your vehicle under a shade. Now under a shade means you don't have to park your vehicle under a tree, guys. That is the worst thing that you can do, guys, because when you park your vehicle under a tree, birds sit on those trees and they poop on your vehicle, and all that poop is like acid, guys. It will ruin your paint, and all those leaves which fall from the tree will go inside your drain. They will choke up your drains and your vehicle will be in a very bad state if you park your vehicle under a tree, guys. Just because it is under the shade, that doesn't mean your car will be in good condition if you park there. So never park your car under a tree, guys. So all these things come under the environmental factors, guys. So park your vehicle wisely. Let's move on to the last point, guys. The last point, number 5. And number 5 is a very common point, guys. It is the age and wear. Yes, guys. When your car has aged a lot, then for sure the paint will start to peel off. Depending on how you have maintained your vehicle, where you have parked it all these years. If you parked it in a garage, then it will last for a long time, guys. But if you parked it in heavy rains, you kept it under the sun all the time, then for sure your paint is going to peel off very fast. Now because of the age and wear, your paint will fade, it will have scratches on it, and it is time to paint. But when you are repainting your car, guys, keep in mind that always use good quality paint products on your vehicle. Do the preparation properly and use all the proper application techniques to paint your vehicle. And once you are done painting your vehicle, see that you know all the environmental factors, where to park your car, how to park your car, and all those things, and it will make your vehicle last for a long time. So those were the 5 points, guys, because of which the paint on your vehicle can peel off. Now I can miss some points. If I have missed some points, then see that you comment below and let me know, so that it will help me also and it will help the other people as well. And if you found this particular video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is rysonsspraybooth signing out. Until we meet again.